that's what I'm using today here on the Deschutes. I got a little stonefly, and a little Frenchie with a little pink thorax. So we'll see if we can't catch some fish with that. Yeah, I got a big old whitefish. Oh yeah, that's a whitey, all right. A big old whitey. Dude, this thing's big. Whew. Whitey's got some. Nice. Big whitey. No skunkage here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big old whitefish. That's just a big old whitefish, I think. You beautiful whitey. Please. Where are your trout buddies? I want to find your trout buddies. I found myself quite the whitefish spot here. I think I've caught 3 or 4 whitefish out of this spot in just maybe half an hour. So let's hope we find some trout. This is nice. Oh yeah, that's a really nice trout. They don't fight like they do in the fly. Very nice. Beautiful.
Wasting all my time.
Long. Big old whitey. Maybe not as nice as the previous one.